Do I still need a DirecTV antenna on my yacht? Evolving yacht electronics. Luxury yachting is embracing advanced technologies like Starlink, 5G, and the MDS Blender, transforming yacht entertainment and connectivity, especially for yachts over 100 feet. Traditional DirecTV antennas. Cost: $20,000 for installation, $1,000 per cabin for decoders, plus monthly charges. Obsolescence. High-speed broadband solutions are more cost-effective. Modern alternatives. DirecTV mobile app. Streams on up to 20 devices. Cost $69 $200/month. Starlink. High-speed internet in remote locations, enhancing streaming and communication. 5G. Ultra-fast, reliable near-coastal internet service. MDS Blender. Integrates various internet providers, offering a mix of live TV and on-demand content. Advantages of modern technologies. Cost efficiency. Reduces hardware, installation, and subscription costs. Design flexibility. Eliminates bulky domes, allowing sleeker designs. Starlink for yachts. Revolutionizes connectivity with high-speed internet, supporting high-definition streaming and reliable communication. 5G for yachts. Provides fast speeds and low latency, enabling integrated, cost-effective systems. MDS Blender. Future of yacht entertainment. Integrates different internet providers, offering tailored entertainment with live broadcasts and streaming content. Moving beyond DirecTV antennas. Technological advances reduce the need for traditional DirecTV domes, allowing for modern yacht designs. Enhancing guest connectivity. High-speed solutions like Starlink and 5G meet guest expectations for seamless connectivity. Efficiency and cost-effectiveness. High-speed internet and advanced electronics reduce costs and optimize operations. Adapting to consumer preferences. Yacht systems must evolve with trends, integrating technologies like voice controls and VR for personalized experiences. A vision for the future. Technologies like Starlink, 5G, and the MDS Blender enhance innovation, efficiency, and guest satisfaction in yachting. Hit the like button if you found this useful.